What is up? It's your girl Whitney B, and I'm back with another video. Y'all, I'm super excited. So this company, UNICE Hair, sent me this wig to review. Now, let's take a moment for the color. It's like a reddish, orangish, brownish kind of combination. I don't know, but it's super cute. It came with an elastic band. Now, y'all already know, I always tell my girlies, if you are trying to go for a glueless, like ready to wear type, easy, beginner friendly look, you absolutely need an elastic band, because this is what's gonna make your wig tight and secure. It's gonna pull your wig back so that you don't have to do too much with the glue, and it makes it like non-slip. So definitely get you an elastic band. But they also sent this cute little pack, and in it came with, look like some nails. Okay, UNICE. These are actually kind of cute. They got little sparkles on them and stuff. They did also send a wig cap, a HD wig cap, which that's really great. It's always good to have plenty of those. And they sent a edge band. So I'm gonna show you really quick how I install this wig. It's supposed to be like glueless and ready to wear, so we'll see how easy it is. And oh, I really like this band. It's really stretchy, and it comes with these Velcro straps on there, which makes it super easy to you know, tie around your hair. I also gave some bye-bye knots. I guess this is like, oh yeah, so this is like to cover up your knots. And you can also use this like those little sticky tacks. So super good. However, I'm not gonna use the little sticky things for this install. I'm gonna be using my favorite, the Wonder Lace Bond. You don't got you some, get you some lace bond. So I really like this unit because it has those little grippers on the back, which makes it super secure, especially if you don't have like a lot of hair in the back and you don't really want to mess with the comb. I also like that it's a very like breathable cap. It's summertime, we trying to let that scalp breathe as much as we can with these wigs on. First, let me see how to apply these adjustable straps on the wig. So here we go. So this is what it looks like once I've placed the band on, and all I did was just slide the band into these little grooves right here. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on first without the lace spray, just because I want to kind of see, you know, how it looks without actually gluing it down. I want to see if I could really wear it, you know, glueless if I actually choose to. Let's see. All right, so the wig is not even like glued down. Look at that lace. Look at that lace. Looking real crazy right now, but I'm about to make it look cute. I'm gonna fluff out these curls a little bit, but get into the lace. And that's no glue, no nothing. Literally, I just put the elastic band on and put her on. So I'm just gonna go in with my satin lotion and just kind of give it a little oomph, because it is looking a little if you are a beginner and you don't want to do all the gluing, the cutting of the lace, all that extra stuff, like, it's literally ready to wear. You don't have to worry about cutting your lace. Like, this is probably the easiest wig I've ever put on. I've worn a lot of wigs in my life. So I'm not gonna go too crazy with the baby hair. I'm just going to give it a little bit of, do a little something. Y'all, I can't get over how this lace is literally like blending in with my skin. When they said HD, baby, this HD. So literally this part is just optional. I'm just kind of like cutting it just to give it a little bit more of the shape that I'm wanting. I want it to be more like a bob type look, but literally you don't have to do, you can literally skip that step if you want. Alright y'all, so this is the final look, and look at this, no glue at all. Like, I didn't even have to use my Eben lace spray. The lace on this wig is to die for. I've had some good wigs and some good hair before, but this lace, like, they got this lace down packed. Can't get over talking about this lace, and the hair is nice and it's not too full, and that's what I like about it, and I think it's perfect for the summer. Curls is popping, you don't have to do too much. I like my hair kind of big. If you want a more like flattened look or like a more crunchy look, you can definitely use like some mousse, or you can wet your hair much more, but I wanted more of like a fluffy lightweight look, so I didn't do too much wetting of the hair. If you are looking for a beginner friendly wig, check out UNICE. I will leave the link to this direct unit in the description box below. This also came via Amazon Prime, so all my girlies who love Amazon Prime like me, who like that fast delivery, definitely check them out. That's it for today's install tutorial. Quick and easy, beginner friendly unit. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. If you have questions, comments, of course, leave them down in the description box below, and until next time, bye friends.